Life is not about boundaries, but it's about living your dreams. And these ladies know very well how to break boundaries. These ladies are passionate about riding, and with this passion, they are crushing stereotypes and making our country proud. They are not only living their dreams, but they are also inspiring and motivating other women. Hats off to these ladies. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna talk about 10 badass lady riders of India. So let's go. Number 1, Alisha Abdullah. Alisha Abdullah is among the fastest Indian women on two wheels. Her father, Mr. R.A. Abdullah, is a 7-time national champion. Alisha's racing career started at the age of 10. She has been a runner-up in the National Bike Racing Championship in the open class. She has even driven in the Volkswagen Polo Cup. She has also represented the country in the International Toyota Vios Cup. Alisha has even launched her own racing academy for budding women racers. Number 2, Priyanka Kochhar. Priyanka Kochhar is a model and an avid biker. Priyanka has a passion for motorcycling and loves to ride as many new motorcycles as possible. She also blogs about her motorcycling adventures. Number 3, Maral Yazarlu. Iran-born Maral Yazarlu holds the title of India's best female superbiker. Maral has clocked more than 1.4 lakh kilometers on her superbike. Her superbike collection includes Ducati Dev, Harley-Davidson Nitrod, Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Special, and a BMW GS. In an interview, she said, for off-roading she used BMW, and for long rides she used Harley, and for short speedy rides she used Ducati. Number 4, Niharika Yadav. Niharika is a Gurgaon-based doctor who has made a name for herself in the world of motorcycling. She regularly attends track days and can be often seen riding her Ducati Pinnacle 899 around the Buddh International Circuit. She has even competed in motocross races for a couple of years. Number 5, Sapna Sukesh. Sapna loves to ride her motorcycles on racetracks, where she tries to improve her track racing skills. Sapna is also an interior designer. She also runs the Let's Gear Up riding gear store in Bangalore. Number 6, Firdaus Sheikh. She is a marketing manager at UM Motorcycles. She is even the co-founder of the Bikerni, a well-known female-only biking group that help women bikers connect with each other. She knows motorcycles inside out and has covered more than 1 lakh kilometers on her motorcycles. Number 7, Anim Hashim. Anim Hashim is a professional stunt rider, and she is the only Indian athlete to win the international stunt competition. She believes that riding isn't just about the speed or the thrill. Instead, it's a way of life that can't be expressed in words. Number 8, Roshni Sharma. Roshni has been riding motorcycles since the age of 16. She even became the first ever Indian woman rider to ride solo from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Great achievement by Roshni. Number 9, Sonia Jain. Sonia Jain is a Delhi-based marketing professional who has been riding for over 6 years now. She has owned some big motorcycles like the Harley XL 1200 and Knight Sprinter. She has even ridden the Indian Chief Vintage from Delhi to Goa for attending the Indian Bike Week 2016. Number 10, Labdi Shaha. Labdi Shaha has won a drag race at Valleyton, where her Kawasaki 7800 outclassed the competitor by 1.12 seconds. She is also the first Indian woman to have attended the California Superbiking School. So guys, that's all for today. This video is a perfect example of how women can break all boundaries and fulfill their dreams. So guys, if you like our video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned.